Alrighty guys, what's going on today? So I'm going to be talking to y'all about the Krylon Chalkboard aerosol spray paint. A little bit about why I got this. So basically I was making a little Father's Day gift for my dad. And it's basically a beer caddy. It was made out of wood. I had built it. Then what I was going to do was spray paint the front of it with this chalkboard spray paint and just write a little thing. Happy Father's Day, whatever. And yeah, so I got it and it worked really nicely. That was the only thing I'd ever used it on, but even for that, I really dug it, and I just wanted to, kind of spread the word if anyone's looking for, chalkboard-like spray paint, or spray paint that can kind of give you the same, I guess, look or aesthetic of a black slate chalkboard. Yeah, so basically what it does is it creates this tough slate-like chalkboard surface. It comes out so you can write really easily on it, like you would with standard chalk and a chalkboard. This one is black, as you can see. Although I do believe it comes in other colors. I think green. I think dark green is like their other popular color. Almost got that one, but I like the black one a little bit more. The actual application of this is pretty much the same as any other type of spray paint that you would use. You just kind of pop it off and spray it, give it one layer, give it a second layer, etc. It comes on, I wouldn't say super thick. You definitely have to give it a couple layers, but yeah, after 2 coats, I kind of noticed that it's solid. In terms of the actual finish, it looks really nice. Definitely has that like dark matte slate kind of look to it. My dad actually used this beer caddy to bring to the beach and other places, and it's still in really great condition. I was actually pleasantly surprised. It's very, it's remained very smooth and very flat looking. It's nice. And when it's just, it's very durable overall, I would say. When you actually use it in between coats, it took maybe about like 15-20 minutes in between each coat to really dry on there nicely. And then after that, I was pretty much good to go. What I would say is, if you're using this, definitely use a spray nozzle attachment, as it kind of like thins and narrows the spray. One thing I noticed about this, and I'll try and get it off here. As you can see, it even has leaked a little bit around here. This is because this nozzle, I don't know if it's just this one that I got, maybe it's defective or something, but the nozzle is just not really that great. It was coming out very like inconsistently in the beginning, and I was just like I need to get a different like nozzle or something on this. So I used basically like this little spray gun attachment that I have, put it on top. I was pretty solid. But yeah, I would recommend that. If you are going to use this on something that you want to constantly write on, I wouldn't recommend it. I also, one thing I kind of had an issue with was I did some trial and error sprays before I actually used this for good. And I noticed that it had left like a weird shadow when I tried to erase the first thing of chalk that I put on there. And essentially, I just wanted to kind of try it out and see if I could actually use it like you would use a real chalkboard, have it sprayed, be able to write on it with chalk, and then kind of just erase it and write again and hope that it would be totally clear and fine. It wasn't. It definitely left weird residue. It just was not the best. I would say it could have also been the fault of the wood, because it doesn't leave, again, it's not like real slate, it's just coming out that way, the appearance of it. So maybe if you had it on a different surface, that would work a little better, more slate-like surface, but other than that, yeah, the one thing I did realize was that maybe it's more of a one-time ordeal than anything. Other than that, it's very simple, very effective, and very inexpensive as well. So if you're looking to make something look more like a chalkboard, yeah, I would pretty much recommend this for you. Again, this is the Krylon Chalkboard aerosol spray paint, and yeah, take a look at it. Get a little crafty. Alrighty, take it easy, you guys.